Hi, this is Noelle Flazar, and I'm making this video to fulfill my Zoom meeting requirement that I missed. So I chose to do it on the third Zoom meeting, which was about Twitter and the positive benefits of social media in education. So some benefits of Twitter, some uses of Twitter. You can use it for class announcements to remind them of things. I've used it for sharing out photos of activities, lessons, and field trips that we're doing inside the classroom so that parents are able to stay connected and see what we're doing. You can also use it to remind students of homework assignments or even send out a homework assignment. Please do this tonight. You can also use it for classroom participation questions. So to make sure that the students are engaged with the lesson and paying attention, you could send out a quick message that says, hey, here's a question about what we're learning, to check to see if they're paying attention and they're understanding the content. You can also use it for reminders. So don't forget about the field trip tomorrow. Please bring in your money, or don't forget to bring a sack lunch, which is a great way to use it. And then you can also use it to share out links to websites that you maybe want students to explore further, whether it be in class or at home as well. So that brings to the next question. Can other technology do what Twitter can? And yes, I believe so. Just to name a few, ClassDojo, Remind, and Schoology. ClassDojo is originally designed for a behavior management system that connects parents with students and the teacher. And ClassDojo does have a lot of other features that you can use that are similar to Twitter. You can send out class messages through something called My Story. You can send out pictures that way as well. You could project something on the board that allows you to project a question or an exit ticket for the kids to participate in. So there's a lot that ClassDojo can do that Twitter can as well. Remind is also another great app that allows you to send out different links or pictures of things that we did in class, or send out quick reminders to the whole class, or message individuals about reminders or different things that you thought that they might need to know. And then Schoology, as well as being an awesome LMS, you can also use it to send out reminders or homework assignments, or check for class participation through the updates or some of the discussion posts as well. So moving on to talk about some of the pros and cons of social media. Pro is that I think it helps to show student engagement, because students are really interested in social media, so it's a way to kind of meet them where they're at and to show their interests. I think it also helps them to be more accountable, because, it takes the excuse of, I didn't know that we had it, or I didn't remember, and say, oh, no, I sent a tweet out about it that you can see, or I sent that reminder last night. And another pro is that it helps you to stay really connected with your community. It helps parents to be more involved in what you're doing in the classroom. And you can even use it to get connected with other classrooms across the country and other grade levels as well. Some cons, as social media has really entered our society, I've seen is that it seems to be this constant need for positive validation. Students are posting things and sharing things that are getting constant feedback and validation through likes and retweets, and so that's something that I see kind of filtering into the classroom, that they're needing that extra validation. Which kind of also leads to that lack of intrinsic motivation that I see happening with students, that they're not wanting to do something or explore something unless someone's watching. So they need that extrinsic motivation, someone saying, yes, that's really cool, or liking it on Twitter or Facebook or any of the other social medias. So there lacks that desire to do it just because they love to explore, they just love to learn. And then lastly, just the expectation for constant connectivity, just because we have social media and it's so easy to connect with others and to make quick responses, that I feel that can sometimes be a con, and it can kind of blur the line between work and home, which we all need our personal time to kind of recoup and regroup. And so I think that can kind of get in the way sometimes as parents saying, well, I know you can see this message, so I need a response right away. So that is all I have for you about the benefits of Twitter and social media and some of the negatives as well. Thank you.